Solutions to keep food fresher longer. Bring a sandwich bag and place the steak inside. Zip it, but leave the tip open. Soak into water and seal tight. Vacuum sealed. Freeze. Lasts longer. Strawberries sitting for too long in your fridge? Use water and apple cider vinegar once you bring them at home. Soak wash into the mixture. Refrigerate and see the result days later. Looks like you just bought them. Mold bread at house? Use celery sticks to prevent that from happening. A week later and mold bread was nowhere to be seen. Leftover biscuits are not fun at all for the teeth. See what a slice of bread can do. Have some days later. It is still soft. Spoiled milk around the kitchen? Add table salt right after you bring it at home. Mix well and let it sit in the fridge. Several days later and it's still fresh. Ripe bananas all the time? That is not fun. Wrap the banana stem with plastic bag. And see the result. A week later, still fresh. Wilted salad? Transfer into kitchen towel when bought. Wrap and take it back to the plastic container. See the result. It absorbs moisture,